This bag is not long enough. No. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, y'all. It's been a minute. It's been like almost 6 months, I believe. I miss you guys. I honestly miss y'all. I really do. I know I look kind of crazy right now, but I'm gonna be touching up my locks with some dye. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I've been missing for a long time, okay? Life has been lifing, all right? Life has been lifing. I had tendonitis in my wrist, so I haven't been doing much to my hair but slick backs and slick up buns. That's all I've been doing with my locks. And now that my wrist is feeling better, it's not 100% healed yet, but I am back to work. So yeah, it's been a process. I was gone from work for 11 months, y'all. 11 months it took for this to feel better, to go back to work. And now I hurt my back, okay? But I want to do this video for you guys because it's been a minute. It's been a long time. I miss you guys. Welcome to my returning subbies. I love you guys. Thank you for being patient. So let's get into the video. First, we're gonna do this brand of dye, number 57, dark brown. So that we're using, it has no ammonia and you just add water. You don't need to mix anything else, you just add water. So it comes with gloves. As you can see, but I'm not using these because my hands are very small and they always fall off my hands. So I went to the beauty supply store and I got these gloves right here. My nails are done as well. I did them myself. Some gel, and we're gonna use these gloves. Hopefully they fit. What size is this? Medium. Should have got small. My hands are mad small, y'all. Like, my hands are small. But I got these ones because it's more fitted compared to the ones they have in the box. So we got the dye, we got our gloves. I'm also gonna be using a shower cap. I got the large one, jumbo actually. And this is how the dye looks. That's all. This is all that comes in the box with the gloves and the instructions. So we're gonna put some water in here, add this, mix it around, and then apply it to my locks. But first, I'm gonna take off my jewelry because I paid a lot for these jewelry, okay? And I don't want to mess it up with dye. I mean, the dye can wash off and I can clean the jewelry, but I don't want to go through all of that. So we're gonna take off my jewelry, my earrings. They're Versace, by the way. I invested in these. Well, these were a gift, but my chain, yeah, I invested in that. Also, to not mess up my shirt, I mean, it's a black shirt, it's like a black t-shirt. I'm gonna put a garbage bag around my neck. I don't care. Just like this. So I already sectioned my hair into 4, which I find it's easier to do it this way. I just sectioned it into 4. So I got my Vaseline. We're gonna do this around the perimeter of her head. Like this, just right in front of our hairline, not on the hair itself, but like this, my forehead. This is for if any dye leaks down or drips down, it doesn't really mess up your skin, because I've done it without the grease before and yo, I had to wipe it off with hot water. It was so annoying. But I'm doing this around the perimeter on my neck, all that. I'm gonna put some on my face like this, my ears. I'm gonna use an old crayon to mix in the dye. I'm gonna be using 2 of the dyes. I got 2 boxes because 1 is not enough. They're so little, but they mix very well and they do expire. You have to use these within 12 months. All right, so I got my water filled up. Just open it. It has a little cap on it. Just some here. And just mix it. So it's done mixing, as you can see. Get some off of this. So this is how it looks. It looks green, but it's brown. It's like a thick consistency, as you can see. Let's start with the back, and like this. I'm gonna start from the bottom and work my way up to the roots.
I just wanna know where we go from here. I don't want this love to just disappear. Lord, I need you to feel this atmosphere. I need all your love. I need all your love. Covered in the blood, demons can't come near. You turn it all around when life looks severe. In my heart, I know that you're always here.
Oh my God, no! This bag is not long enough. No. All right, so just, oh, who cares? It's a black shirt. Whatever.
I need all your love. I need all your love. I need your blessings. I need your blessings. My Lord, your blessings make me feel the way. I've got one question. I've got one question. My Lord, my question is, are you here to stay?
That's one side done. I'll be back when I'm done this side. All right, yo, so we're done. We're done. Everything, as you can see. Now I'm just gonna put it up like this. Wrap it like this. I'm gonna take this off because I don't want no dye on the outside of the shower cap. Let me take this. That's it. I'm gonna take this off because and that's it. Now we wait 30 minutes. What is the time? I don't have my watch on. Oh. It's 1:05. So at 1:35, we're gonna wash this out. So I'll be back after I wash it out and all that stuff. All right, guys. So I'm back. I'm done dyeing, washing, rinsing my hair. It's dried a little bit, but I have to leave to pick my kids up from school. So my face is freshly washed. I'm gonna do a little bit of skincare. I'm gonna start with the Glow Recipe Toner. I love this toner. Look at the little thing. I got the 3-pack sample one, and I love it so far. Like, it's almost done. It's really, really good. I'm gonna do some vitamin C serum. I live by this, okay? I live by this vitamin C serum. I'm gonna put back on my jewelry. Guys, I shower in my jewelry because like I don't take off my jewelry every time I shower. I shower with them, but when I do dye my hair, I take them off. My watch. I'm gonna cover my head because it's winter where I'm at. When I come back, I'm gonna do a hot oil treatment just to bring some moisture back into my locks. And then tomorrow's video, I will be interlocking my hair because it's been a while. It's been a while. As you can see, this much growth. So tomorrow I'm going to be interlocking it. I do have a doctor's appointment tomorrow, but I don't know. I'll probably do it when I come back because it's early in the morning. It's at like 10 a.m. So I have to go to that, and when I come back I'll do the interlock. So that video will be up tomorrow. But yeah, let's go get my kids from school.
I know that you will, cause you never fail. You direct me to paths that will prevail. Yes, you replaced the veil, and you showed me love. Yeah, you showed me love. I just wanna know where we go from here. I don't want this love to just disappear.
As you can see, I'm a Nike girl. They're so comfortable. Their hat, their jackets, their sweaters, everything, their pants. It's just comfy. And yeah, let's go. And my babies, pick them up from school. They have a little snack. Snack.
I got a spicy.
You have. Alright guys, so I'm back home. So I'm about to use some peppermint oil to do a hot oil treatment. What I'm gonna do, apply this to my scalp, and then I'm gonna use a blow dryer. My hair is, I would say, like 90% dry. So not too shabby. This oil is very thick, y'all. It's castor oil with peppermint oil. I'll show you. And the brand is I Am Pure. That's the brand. Castor oil with peppermint oil. I normally do the argan oil, but didn't have any. I'm so upset. Every time I go to that specific beauty supply store, they never have the Jamaican black castor oil with argan oil. Let me show you how it looks. This is how it looks. This is finished. And I've been looking for it for the past month, and they have not restocked. And it's very annoying because that's my favorite oil. I mean, I like peppermint oil too, but it's just, the smell is so strong. The argan oil smells really, really good.
Lord, I need you to feel this atmosphere. I need all your love. I need all your love. Covered in your blood, demons can't come in. You turned it all around when life looks severe. In my heart, I know that you're always here. I need all your love. I need all your love.
I need it, Lord, I need it. And when I found it, I knew I'd keep it. You're the realest, never sleeping. Always got me, even when I'm dreaming. I'm preaching to the people you're feeding. In the morning until the evening, making sure that your children are breathing. It's you I'm needing, it's you I'm needing. Grab the word, then I speak it. On the curb, you know I preach it. One in a never can never be repeated. So my will has gotta be completed. But your word, it
And that is it, guys. Dyed, washed, hot oil treatment, blow dried. It feels so good. My scalp feels so clean. It feels really, really clean. Get it? It's all shiny. The light's a little bit too bright. And that is it, guys. So stay tuned for the interlock video tomorrow. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for passing by, and I will see you in the next video. Peace, love, and stay safe, y'all.